Hello, welcome to Culture One Group's China 101 class. Today we're going to talk about ethnic minorities in China. Just like in almost every country in the world, there's a wide array of ethnic minorities. Most people just think Chinese are Chinese, but it is not true. In China, you have 56 recognized ethnic minority groups by the government. You also have the dominant Han minority, which is a large percentage of the Chinese population. Now, when you look at these minority groups, many of them are marginalized, not only socially, but they're also marginalized geographically. Typically, along the coast, you have much smaller groups, ethnic minority groups, and domination of the Han ethnic group. And in the interior regions, in the autonomous regions, you have a lot of the ethnic minorities. Particularly in Yunnan province, you have the largest concentration of ethnic minorities. Now, even though the Chinese language has been standardized in the schools in China, every ethnic group has its own distinct language. Now, the two dominant languages within China is Mandarin Chinese and Cantonese. Mandarin is predominantly spoken in the central and northern China and is actively taught in all the schools. And Cantonese is predominantly spoken in the southern regions, for example, in Guangdong province and Hong Kong and Macau. So, when you're looking at China and you want to know more about Chinese, ethnic minorities play a large role in the decision-making process, not only in the government, but in social settings in many different cities and provinces across China. Every ethnic group is different, every ethnic group has its own customs, and they're sometimes very distinct and very different from what the dominant Han majority ethnic group has to offer. So, I encourage you to explore some of the ethnic groups when you travel to China and learn more.